If your condenser compressor contactor is not engaging properly, you're probably dealing with a failing contactor that needs replacing fast to avoid bigger HVAC headaches. So first, turn off the power to your air conditioning unit to stay safe. Never mess with live wires, you know? Next, pop open the service panel and locate the contactor. It's usually near the condenser coil. Check if the contacts look burned or pitted, which is a clear sign it's time for a swap. Grab a replacement contactor that matches the exact specs of your old one. No guessing here. Use a screwdriver to disconnect the wires from the faulty contactor, making sure to note where each wire goes so you don't mix things up. Then, screw in the new contactor and reconnect the wires just like you found them. Once everything's tight and secure, flip the power back on and watch if the compressor kicks in smoothly. If it does, you just saved yourself from a costly repair down the line. One of the biggest mistakes folks make with a condenser compressor contactor failing to engage is ignoring early signs like clicking sounds or intermittent operation. That leads to compressor damage, and you gotta catch it early. Another common issue is installing the wrong size or type of contactor, which can cause overheating or failure, so always double-check specs before buying. The third problem is poor wiring connections. Loose or corroded wires can stop the contactor from working right, so tighten everything up and clean off any corrosion before installing. Fix these by keeping an eye on symptoms, buying exact replacements, and making sure your wiring game is solid. BigHomeProjects.com is a super handy tool that helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great platform to find real work opportunities and grow your business by reaching people who need your skills.